I'm giving you guys my honest opinion with regards to this product. Basically, you just have to switch it like so. So basically, I hold it this way and then just trim off the little ones coming up. This is it. This is how it looks like. It's not a makeup tutorial, though. Oh gosh, you guys. It's not a makeup tutorial, but I'm going to show you guys how I do mine. Right, let's get this popping. Let's get this popping. Okay, guys. So you see, guys, it didn't take me more than 5 minutes in doing my eyebrow. That's it. I've done my eyebrow. It's all done. I think it's popping. Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Cynthia. Guys, today I'm going to be doing a review. Guys, I'm going to be reviewing this 7-in-1 multifunctional beauty kit. The reason why I bought this kit is because of my nails and also my eyebrows. You guys may have noticed that I love doing my nails since my babies are no longer breastfeeding, my kids are no longer in diapers, so basically I will not mistakenly pierce them with sharp nails. And being on lockdown due to the pandemic, this has been beneficial in doing my nails at home and also my eyebrows. Although we are no longer in lockdown, however, I intend to use this product for now. I intend to do my nails at home and my eyebrows at home until I feel it is fully safe for me to go. Basically, I have to risk assess the situation before I go. Anyway, guys, let's jump right into this video. I bought it for mainly 2 things: to do my nails and also my eyebrows. I have also found the eyebrow trimmer beneficial. You guys, I don't know if you do wax your eyebrows or thread your eyebrows. I prefer threading my eyebrows, and when they do it, I think the lady has to put part of the thread in her mouth, and her face is quite close to your face. Yes, we may have a mask on, but then she won't have a mask on, and there is no 2 meter apart. Basically, we are basically close by. So for now, personally myself, I will not be going to the salon to do my nails. Okay guys, this multifunctional 7-in-1 beauty kit is a wet and dry epilator and lady shaver and nose trimmer and eyebrow trimmer and also a nail polisher. It comes with various heads, as you guys can see. It easily clicks on. And okay guys, I got this from Amazon and it cost me I think £15. It comes with a lifetime warranty information. Details are in this card, as you guys can see. Basically, you have to register with them, and I think you get 10 pieces of luxurious makeup brush set free, and also a lifetime replacement warranty. As you can see, you've got the epilator head, the on and off switch button, the shaver head, the nail polish head, the buffing rollers, shining rollers, eyebrow trimmer head, nose trimmer head, and also the USB line and the cleaning brush. It is quite easy to charge. Basically, what you need to do is you can charge it using a mobile phone charger or your laptop. At the back there, I don't know if you guys can see it, you basically just put it in there like so, just like so, and then you can put it onto your mobile phone charger or your computer. Charging time takes up to 8 to 10 hours, and that lasts for 30 to 40 minutes using time. For gentle, less painful epilation, use the appliances on wet skin without your regular shower gel. Slight skin irritation like red skin or red dots may occur after epilation. This is normal. We advise you to epilate before you go to bed at night. Anyway guys, I'll just show you guys how this works, because I recently did my eyebrows. They don't need trimming, but I'll show you guys how it works. Although when you put it on, the sound is quite scary, but it's fine. Okay, let me just show you guys how I use this. Okay guys, I'll just show you how I use this. I basically just use this brush which I got from Poundland, this eyebrow brush which I got from Poundland, and show you how I do my eyebrows. I won't show you guys how I do my nail in this video, maybe in another video, or else the video will be too long. So now I'm going to use that on. Basically, you just have to switch it like so, and just basically trim. I think I'll put music in this place because of the zzz sound that goes. So I don't know if you can see any difference. Anyway, well, let's try the other side. Then I do it this way. Basically, I normally put it up and just swipe it this way and see which one I need to trim off. It's not that bad. Like I said, I just trimmed it recently, but for the purpose of demonstrating that it does have a scary loud noise, but it works fine. And this is not a sponsored video. I'm giving you guys my honest opinion with regards to this product. I've only used the eyebrow trimmer and the nail polish and the nail polisher. Right, let's do the other side. I don't really have much here to come up because I just did it and it looks fine. So basically, I hold it this way, and then just trim off the little ones coming up on top here, like so. Previously, I would go to the salon to do this, but now, due to the current situation, I have to do it myself at home, and I'm learning to do it myself. Okay, guys, so this is it. This is how it looks like. What do you guys think? I think it's nice. What do you guys think? It doesn't leave any bumps on my eyebrows. This is based on my personal experience. No bumps on my eyebrows. Next, guys, I'm just gonna apply my eyebrow pomade after trimming it. I don't know what you guys think about this. Just gonna show you guys a closer look. This is how it looks like. And I'm using this brush. This is a Studio Fix London brush. So basically, I just dip it into my pomade. I don't wear much makeup anyway. And then okay, guys. Okay. It's not an eyebrow tutorial, you know. I'm just showing you guys how I apply mine. How I do my eyebrows at home for myself. You can see, guys, it didn't take me more than 5 minutes in doing my eyebrow. That's it. I've done my eyebrow. It's all done. I think it's popping. Oh God, YouTube. Right, hold on. No, wait. Hold on, guys. I need it to pop, you know. It's not a makeup tutorial, though. Right, let's get this popping. Okay, guys, so you see, what do you guys think, guys? I think, in my opinion, I think it's nice. Anyway, this is how I do my eyebrows. Guys. Guys, this is how I have been doing my eyebrows while in lockdown. In my opinion, I think it's comfortable for myself. In my opinion, I think it's quite easy and straightforward to use. Like you guys saw, the machine is quite noisy, but it's also gentle on the skin, and I haven't had any bumps since I've been doing my eyebrows at home. So what do you guys think about my eyebrows? I think it's popping, you know. I think it's popping. If you guys found this video beneficial, please do give it a thumbs up. You have watched the video to the end. Thank you so much. Please do subscribe to help me grow my channel. Hey guys, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. If you found this video beneficial, guys, share the video. And if you would like to ask questions about this this beauty kit, do leave comments down below. I would love to hear from you guys and also answer your questions. Anyway guys, bye.